Hello everyone, today we will do class 10th chapter 4th quadratic equations exercise 4.3 question number 2. The question is find the roots of the quadratic equations given in question number 1 by applying the quadratic formula. So in question number 1 we have done the same equations, we have solved the same equation using the method of completing the square. Now we will be using the quadratic formula to solve this, right? Now till now we have done three methods. This is the third method. First we have done factorization method, which is splitting the middle term, then by completing the square method, and now this is the last method by quadratic formula. So let us start with the first question, which is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now the first thing that we have to do, we have to compare this with this form of quadratic equation, and we have to write the values of a, b and c. So we can see a is 2, b is minus 7 and c is 3. Now after this we have to find discriminant. Now this discriminant is given by, we write it as d, it is given by b square minus 4ac. Now this is minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So I have just substituted the values of a, b, c from here. Now this is 49 minus 24. So this is 25. Now we have a quadratic formula where x is given by minus b plus minus root of d over 2a. This is known as quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Now we will substitute the value of b, d and a here. Now b is minus 7 and negative sign is also there. So minus 7. This negative sign here in the formula. Since b is minus 7, so it is written like this. Plus minus. This is 25 because d is 25 over 2 into 2. So this will be 7 plus minus. Minus minus, that will be plus. And then this square root of 25 is 5 over 4. Now see, it has two values. One with positive sign when 7 and 5 are added, and one with negative sign. So x is 7 plus 5 by 4 and 7 minus 5 by 4. So this is 12 by 4 and 2 by 4. So this is 3 and half. So there are two values, two roots as 3 and half. So we have this second equation. Here a is 2, b is 1, coefficient of x is 1 over here. C is minus 4. D is given by b square minus 4ac. That is 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4. This is 1. Now this minus minus will be positive sign, and this is 16, 2s are 32. So d is 33. So x is given by minus b plus minus root of d over 2a. So this will be minus 1 plus minus root of 33 over 2 into 2. So this is minus 1 plus minus root of 33 over 4. So the values of x, or the solution of this given equation, we have two solutions. One by taking the positive sign and one by taking the negative sign. So this is minus 1 plus root of 33 over 4 and minus 1 minus root of 33 over 4. We have the third equation now. So a is 4, b is 4 square root of 3 and c is 3. d is b square minus 4ac. So this is 4 root of 3 square minus 4 into 4 into 3. Now see, 4 root of 3 square. 4 square is 16 and root of 3 square is 3. So when we have to find the square of 4 root of 3, we will find the square separately and then we will multiply. 4 square is 16, root 3 square is 3. Now similarly here 16 3s are 48. Here it is 48 minus 48, which is 0. X is minus b plus minus root of d over 2a. So we have minus 4 root of 3 plus minus root of 0. D is 0 here, over 2 into 4. So we'll get minus 4 root of 3 plus minus 0 over 8. So the values are minus 4 root 3 plus 0 over 8 and minus 4 root of 3 minus 0 over 8. Here we will get this, and here also we will get the same thing. Since we have d equals to 0, we are getting two equal roots here. And this can now be written as 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. So the answer is minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. Now the fourth part, here A is 2, B is 1 and C is 4. D is B square minus 4AC. So this is 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 4. So 1 minus 32, which is minus 31. Now if I will use the quadratic formula, it will be like this. This will be equal to minus b, that is, you can write here minus 1 plus minus root of minus 31 over 2 into 2. Now here we are getting square root of a negative number, which is not possible, right? Or we can say as d is less than 0, we are getting square root of a negative number, which is not possible. So we will write real roots do not exist.